A Canadian message to all the drone manufacturers about their long-distance UAV airframes. You need to work on regulatory compliance in Canada. Under the new Canadian regulations, a drone must have a suitable safety assurance declaration submitted to Transport Canada in order to fly legal, commercial, long-distance drone operations. Flying BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight, requires a drone with a SAD. Canadian companies can't just buy your UAV and fly it legally. They definitely cannot buy just an airframe and then install an RC system and fly it. To sell into Canada, you need to have a complete drone, not just an airframe, with a reliable certified RC control system and ground station, fully configured and tested capabilities that restrict the drone to legal flights. This all needs to be documented, proven, and officially submitted to Transport Canada, who can audit your submission at any time. If you are serious about selling your UAV in Canada and you want help with this, contact me.